Hello, Rochelle Terry here, making a paper slide video for you today. Hopefully this will encourage you to try paper slide videos out in your classroom, either as you presenting information as the teacher or as your students presenting information. You may ask, what is a paper slide video? Basically, a paper slide video is a video made with slides of paper. This is a good alternative to PowerPoint or Prezi or some other kind of high-tech way to do presentations in your classroom. You may have a situation where you don't necessarily have computers for everybody to use to make PowerPoint presentations, but you have devices that have cameras so that students can video their paper slide video. And you may ask yourself, why? Why would we use paper slide videos? Well, they're fast. I made my paper slide video that I'm showing you right now on paper in probably about 8 minutes. They're easy to make. All I had to have for materials was my white sheets of paper and some colored Sharpie markers. It's also easy to publish. I'm going to actually publish this using YouTube. Okay, how? There are 3 basic steps to making a paper slide. First, you need to plan and make your slides. Number 2, you need to practice, and your students especially would need to practice a lot. I would also include for students using paper slide to actually write out a script that they would follow. That way they don't miss any of their information that they need to share in their presentation. For the recording, you only record 1 shot. There's no redos, there's no video editing going on here. It is exactly just the way it is, and mistakes are okay. I had trouble a minute ago getting my next paper slide over to the camera. No big deal, we just move on. Now, some tips if you are going to use paper slide in your classroom. Be creative and be colorful. All of these bright colors really pop on this white paper. If it's a situation where you wanted to use colored paper, that would be fine too, and I would use a really strong black to make that color pop. Also, use your hands, use props. Either will be fine, or you could even print out pictures to add to your paper if you wanted to, or you could draw. Speak clearly and close to the mic. Don't talk too fast. Make sure you enunciate your words. And then, of course, you want to be close to the mic so that your sound is picked up easily and you don't want to be muffled. Turn your device in landscape format. Basically, what that means, if you are using an iPhone to do this or an iPad, don't hold it this way to make your video. Hold it this way to make your video. This is what we call landscape. Also use a tripod. I just have something that we rigged up here in the office from an old monitor mount and an old projector. So I didn't go out and buy anything, but you can buy tripods. Again, it's 1 take. And if you're doing this with groups of students, I would assign jobs. I would have a camera person. I would have a speaker. You may even want to have somebody who helped to write the script. But there are different jobs that you can assign to each individual student to make sure that they do their part with their paper slide. I hope you find this beneficial, and I hope to see paper slides being used in our classrooms. Thanks, and have a great day.